Our venerable classic slow cooker, which we've had for over 20 years now, is still working perfectly. We have cooked everything in it, including meat of different kinds. Attempting to cook a piece of beef that was higher than the plastic lid, we tried to cut it into several pieces, but it was frozen and had several pieces of bone. Since it was kind of late, and trying to save time, we simply dropped the steak into the slow cooker. However, the lid wouldn't seat properly, thus preventing steaming the meat. If only we had a higher plastic lid. That gave me an idea. We have a stainless steel soup pot. Could it serve as a cover at least for a while the meat was getting soft and the size became shorter? I had nothing to lose by trying it out. The stainless steel soup pot matched perfectly. We turned on the slow cooker into action, and in a few minutes I removed the stainless steel pot and the meat was indeed shorter, and I was able to put the plastic lid on the slow cooker pot. After this, we left it running overnight and the meat came out perfect. The next day, we were able to enjoy some delicious tacos.
I hope this video has been interesting to you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Shava Tareen is inviting you.